Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will make classic vodka sour cocktail for you. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Let's start with an old-fashioned glass. I will fill the glass with ice. I always recommend to use fresh ice, as fresh ice melts slowly, and increases the life of the cocktail. I will pour 1 ounce of lime mix. Lime mix is less sour and thinner than lemon juice. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe. Next is 1 ounce of sugar syrup. You can easily make sugar syrup at home, by mixing equal parts of water and sugar. I will pour 1.5 ounces of vodka. Classic vodka doesn't have any flavor and taste, so you can use any of your favorite vodka. Now I will add 2 spoons of egg white. Egg white doesn't add any flavor, but helps to improve the texture by generating froth in the cocktail. Now I will add 1/2 ounce of fresh orange juice. Use this trick in your next vodka sour or whiskey sour cocktail, and I know you will love it. I will add 5 to 6 cubes of ice, and shake vigorously to generate froth in the cocktail. Vodka sour is similar to the classic whiskey sour cocktail, and popular among those who don't love the strong flavor of whiskey. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, for more exciting recipes like this. Now I will strain the cocktail and pour over the ice. Now it is time for garnishing the cocktail. Today I am using a dehydrated orange slice, though you can use a fresh one. Add 3 cherries, and here you go, your cocktail is ready. Please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Cheers for your amazing life. Please don't forget to subscribe for exciting recipes like this. See you soon. Till then, keep watching.
Yeah, yeah.